So, you've decided to dive into the world of podcasting. That's fantastic. But let's be real for a moment. If you want your podcast to sound professional, choosing the right equipment is absolutely crucial. I mean, think about it. You could have the most interesting content in the world, but if your audio sounds like you recorded it in a wind tunnel, good luck keeping your audience engaged. High-quality audio not only enhances the listener experience, but it also reflects your podcast's credibility. And the best part? You don't have to break the bank to achieve great sound. Let's explore the essential podcasting gear you need, no matter your budget. First things first, let's talk about the basics. If you want to start podcasting, you'll need a few key pieces of equipment. The most important? A microphone. This is what captures your voice with clarity. You could have the best ideas in the world, but if your audio is muffled or distorted, no one is going to stick around to hear them. Alongside that, you'll need headphones to monitor your audio quality during recording and editing. Trust me, you'll want to catch any issues before they make it to your final cut. Now, for those of you who want to step up your game, an audio interface can be a great addition. This connects professional microphones to your computer, allowing for better sound quality. And don't forget a pop filter. This little accessory reduces those harsh plosive sounds, think P and B, that can pop up when you're recording. Finally, you'll need recording software to actually capture and edit your episodes. Let's break it down further, starting with microphones. This is where the magic happens. If you're on a tight budget, USB microphones are a fantastic entry-level option. They're plug and play, which means you can get started right away without any complicated setup. Take the Blue Snowball, for example. At around $50, it offers great quality for beginners. Or check out the Samson Q2U for about $70. This one has both USB and XLR connectivity, giving you flexibility as you grow. If you're willing to spend a bit more, consider a dynamic microphone. These are great for reducing background noise, making them ideal for home recording. The Shure MV7, priced at around $250, is a fantastic choice. It offers excellent sound quality and also features both USB and XLR options, which means you can adapt as your podcast evolves. Now, if you're really serious about achieving studio-level audio, you might want to look at condenser microphones. They capture richer sound but are more sensitive to background noise. The Rode NT1, priced around $300, is a top choice among professionals. Next up, let's talk about headphones. Good headphones are essential for detecting audio issues during recording and editing. If you're just starting out, the Audio-Technica 8 M20X is an affordable and reliable option for about $50. As you progress, you might want to invest in something like the Sony MDR7506, which offers excellent clarity for around $100. And for those who want the best of the best, the Beyerdynamic DT770 Pro is known for its comfort and detailed sound reproduction, coming in at about $180. Now, if you're using an XLR microphone, you'll need an audio interface to connect it to your computer. For beginners, the Focusrite. Scarlett Solo is a simple, reliable option at about $120. But if you're looking for something more versatile, the Zoom H6, which sells for around $350, is a fantastic choice. It doubles as a portable recorder, which can be super handy. Let's not forget about accessories that can enhance your audio quality. A pop filter is essential for reducing harsh plosive sounds and improving clarity, and it's only about $10. A boom arm or mic stand, like the Neewer microphone arm for $30, will help position your microphone comfortably. And a shock mount, such as the Rode SM6, can reduce vibrations and handling noise, costing around $40. Now, let's talk software. You'll need a digital audio workstation, or DAW, to record and edit your podcast. If you're just starting out, there are free options like Audacity, which is user-friendly and works on multiple platforms, or GarageBand. If you're a Mac user, it's intuitive and has great built-in tools. If you're ready to invest in something more advanced, Adobe Audition offers a subscription model at around $20 a month, and Hindenburg Journalist, tailored specifically for podcast production, is about $100. But here's the kicker. Even with the best equipment, your recording environment plays a major role in audio quality. You could have the best microphone in the world, but if you're recording in a noisy cafe or a room with terrible echo, it won't matter. Minimize background noise by finding a quiet space to record and consider using soft surfaces like rugs or curtains to reduce echo. In fact, a small closet filled with clothes can serve as an inexpensive sound booth. Who knew? So let's recap. The most critical piece of equipment for podcasting is a quality microphone. Choose your gear based on your budget, starting with USB microphones for simplicity and upgrading as needed. Don't overlook accessories like pop filters and mic stands, as they can significantly improve your audio quality and comfort. When it comes to software, you have plenty of options, from free tools like Audacity to professional DAWs like Adobe Audition. And remember, a good recording environment is just as important as good equipment. Minimize noise and echo for the best results. So there you have it. With the right tools and a little know-how, you can create a podcast that not only sounds great, but also keeps your audience coming back for more. Happy podcasting.